welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating this fun look right over here. It has been a very stressful week where I actually even skipped filming anything. So before I run out of any videos for you guys, and I really want to keep up with my Wednesday Sunday promise with you guys, this one is going to be coming up for you guys on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. Tomorrow is Rocky, today is Sunday, and I am so happy the way this look turned out. I really wanted to play with the colors only because I had a very stressful week, and sometimes colors can bring you that. Colors can bring you fun, and something about using colors and the vibes that it gives you, like, oh my god. I decided to play with this Lottie London. This is a drugstore brand from Ulta Beauty, and this is my very first palette from them, you guys, and this is what that looks like. Other than this shade right over here, every other shade actually blended beautifully. It is more so on the chalky side, but I will say it is good for a beginner because it is very affordable. I think it was less than $10 that I paid for this. And so with that said, this right here is the look that we're going to be doing a tutorial on, and if you guys are interested in it, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, for those who are new, I want to let you know I have been a very huge fan of these two products by Pacifica. The first one I'm using is Cosmic Beauty Drops, the purple one, and the second one I'll be trying out is the Glow Baby Booster Serum, which also has glycolic acid as well as vitamin C. Both of these has done miracles for me, and I absolutely love using them on a daily basis. I'm going to go ahead and apply them very well onto my skin. The orange one also has a little stickiness to it, so it does help you have your makeup last all day long. For the primer, I'll be taking Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. It is also good by pores, long lasting for soft focus effect, and I'll be applying it mainly towards my T-zone and really pressing that into my skin to make all those pores disappear. For the foundation, you guys, I am taking L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Makeup, one of my absolute drugstore foundation in shade Sun Beige W6, and I will be mixing Crown Pro Golden Glow Liquid Illuminator into it, and then I'll be applying that onto my face using a beauty blender. I'm going to go ahead and quickly do my brows off camera, and then for the concealing and highlighting, I'll be taking Maybelline Age White Concealer in shade Neutralizer. It is absolutely gorgeous and very pigmented concealer. I'm going to go ahead and very easy with it and then blend it out with a beauty blender. For the contour, I'll be taking Wet n Wild Makeup Stick. It is in shade Where's Walnut, and I'm going to go ahead and do the cream contouring. Today I did go a little heavy without realizing it at the time, and then I blended it out with e.l.f. Cosmetics Angled Brush. To set the highlight in place, I'll be taking Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana shade, and I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a Morphe brush and set my under eyes. To set the rest of the face, I'll be taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Medium. I'm taking that onto a Morphe fluffy brush to set it very lightly all over the face. As you can see, the bronzer is already like happening on my face because of the contour stick we used. So with the Physicians bronzer, the butter bronzer that I had picked to use as a bronzer today, I'm going to try to do it, but I actually ended up realizing that if I'm going to go ahead and bronze any more than what I'm already it's going to look very harsh, and that is not what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just skip doing that. It just didn't look good, but I did go ahead and take a little bit onto a small fluffy brush and contour my nose with the bronzer instead of a contour shade. For the brightening, I'll be taking the Palladio. This is the Definer Contour and Highlight palette, and I'll be taking the lightest powder from this palette. I'm just going to go and brighten up a little bit and kind of clean the harsh edges of this bronzer or the cream contour stick that we've got going on. We're going to definitely skip the contour today. For the blush, I'll be taking, this is the Milani Powder Blush in shade 01 Romantic Rose. I'm going to go ahead and tap off the excess and apply it. I'll be taking the Age Rewind Concealer again to prep my eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with a beauty blender before reaching for my Lottie London Palette, which is the Miami palette from them. It has plenty of pop of colors, is why I picked it, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with this beautiful coral color onto a blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and pop that towards my inner corner, and I'm going to go ahead and really start packing it onto this wet cream concealer we've got going on. I'm going to go ahead and go back and forth just a few times to pack the color onto my lid to make sure the pigmentation is there and the color is there that I'm really going for. I will be switching the brush to another blending brush to go for the other shade, which is this neon green color. I'm going to go and start packing that towards the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and pack that color. I feel like this shade was a little less pigmented as the other one, so it turned out to be a little bit more chalky and it didn't show as much pigmentation as the other one. So that kind of let me down a little bit, but then I wanted to go ahead and just pop another color in the middle of these two colors just to kind of make up for it. Now taking this beautiful neon color, I'm going to go ahead and pop that with the very same brush into my crease. I'm going to go ahead and build this color up and then slowly start blending it out into the other colors that we've got going on. Going back with the same concealer, I'm going to go ahead and create a cut crease. Now going for this beautiful rich pigment, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that with a synthetic brush onto my cut crease, and I'm going to pack it to my like and make sure that I glide my brush onto it to make the pigment pop. Now going with the neon color again, I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a smaller blending brush and I'll apply that onto my lower lash line. Once done packing it, I'm going to go ahead and then slowly blend out the edges with the very same brush without packing any more. Now going with this beautiful metallic neon green shade, and I'm going to go ahead and take that with the help of MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus. I'm going to pop it into my inner corner. I just hope the other green shade, the matte green shade that I've got going on into my crease towards the outer corner, I wish that was a little bit more happening, so I would have really enjoyed this look even more. I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes with the mascara. At this time I was like thinking not to do any liner, but then I changed my mind after applying my mascara and we went for a dramatic 80s look right after that. For the falsies, I picked Ardell Double Up Lashes number 113, and I'm going to go ahead and apply them very carefully. They're a little bit more lengthy than usual Ardell lashes, is why I love and prefer these lashes over any other lashes. I like to have lashes that has a little bit of a thinner band versus thicker band, so I have more flexibility, as well as my eyes are not tired at the end of the day having a thick band around them. To set my face, I'll be taking Makeup Revolution Fix and Hydrate Setting Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and coat my face with that. For the lippy, I'll be taking JCat Beauty Lipfinity Matte Lip in shade LMK112. It is a bright neon pink color, you guys. I know it shows a little bit more corally because of my lights, and I really do apologize about that. But this is one of the happening colors that I actually own. Absolutely love it. Absolutely gorgeous. For the highlight, I'll be taking NYX Cosmetics Illuminator in shade Ritualistic. It used to be one of my go-to highlighters. I'm actually almost ready to hit the pan on it. I'm going to go ahead and pop that into higher point on my cheekbones. The brush, by the way, I'm using is from Crown Brushes. For the lower lash line mascara, I'll be going very easy with it because in the end I still want my neon pink color to really come through, and for that reason we're gonna go very easy at like just lengthening them, just not thickening them. Alright you guys, so this right here is today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. Definitely hit the subscribe button to support my therapy. Let me know in the comment down below as to what are your hobbies that you like to do whenever you have your downtime that kind of boosts your energy back up again. Other than that, stay safe, be blessed. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.